And welcome back to another video. This is Crypto Coins, and I have a lot going on here, guys. I've been working hard with my content in the past couple of days, and I appreciate everybody's comments and follows here. And also, I got 50 new members joining Discord today. 50 new members since yesterday here. So thank you for everyone that is joining Discord. I made a new tab here, the help tab, for those of you who are on Discord, where anybody can write questions here, and with the community together we can help out each other. So anybody has any questions about any of these projects or anything crypto related, we can type them here and help. And guys, feel free, together we can answer some of these questions and figure this out together to make better investments. So thank you to all my new members. And there is a new help channel here to help you guys. So in addition to Discord, I just started my new Patreon. All my content going forward since the beginning always been free. So all my tutorials will be free, my Discord will be free, everything will be free. When I started trading crypto, I wish I had these tools, and now that I've learned and figured out some of these things on my own, I would like to share this information with everyone. And also, I learned from you guys, so together I want to grow this community. So if you would like to support this free content and free channel, free Discord, you can join Patreon. You go to patreon.com, CryptoCoins. The links will be in the description of this video. You will have links to the Discord and to the Patreon if you want to be a supporter. So every video will have the links under the description. If we go here, I only have one tier. There is no perks. It's $4 a month. If you find any value, or if I helped you in any way, and if you'd like to support this channel, you can join for $4 a month. If you enjoyed my free content and would like to support my efforts, you can join this one tier. I have only one tier, no perks, there's nothing to it. All my content is always free. This just shows your appreciation if my content is of any value to you, and thank you. This is my Crypto Coins description, my Patreon description. Join Patreon to support my free content on YouTube and Discord. All my tutorials, videos, and Discord access is free. Being a Patreon supports my hours invested in creating content and forming this great free community. I really appreciate every one of my followers. Thank you all. And I have my YouTube link here and Discord link. So basically, this is just showing some gratitude to my hours invested in editing these videos and making the spreadsheets, doing some research, investing my personal money, and also, writing and commenting and building this community together. So enough with that. Let's go back to the video. Today we're going to be talking about Time Wonderland. I've been invested in Time Wonderland for the past 17 days, and I'm going to show real results, what it's like to be invested in some of these DAO projects. Time Wonderland is one of my favorites right now, and it's been performing the best. We're going to be looking at some of the comments that you guys have been writing to me that's relevant to this topic, and we're also going to look at some price action and my position breakdown and my overall thoughts. There's a lot going on in this video. You want to make sure you stick around to get the most information out of these projects. In no particular order, we have a comment here from Scuffed Comedy. The creator of Time also tweeted that they're going to build a ASCI RPG metaverse around Time. I did see this. I did see a metaverse. They're going to build some sort of, I think I even heard NFT, not sure, but yes, I've heard something about metaverse and Time developing and expanding on their project. So exciting news. A lot of people are throwing this word around because of Facebook changing to Meta, so to Metaverse, and there's a lot of hype there. It could be noise, it could be real, I don't know, but yes, I heard similar comments about the Metaverse. Thank you, Scuffed. Let's go to the next comment here. Mecca here wrote to me, are you holding till 365 days? So this is 1 year. They're asking if I'm holding this position for 1 year. So my original investment 17 days ago was $500. The second day I invested another $500. Now I'm in complete $1,000 into this position. So I do plan on doubling up my position. Once that happens and it reaches $2,000, I'm going to withdraw my original investment and do leave $1,000 to ride for the rest of the year. So right now, in invested $1,000. I want to double up that position in profits through the APY and through price appreciation. And once I double up to 2,000, I'm taking that position off the table and investing that money into other projects. So yes, I'm going to let it ride, but it's going to be some time before I let it ride. I need to make that money first. So that's kind of my strategy. I'm more of a buy and hold kind of guy, not very active. And through these updates, you will see when I do buy or sell. This is not really a signals channel, so it's very slow and very easy to follow. So yeah, anybody can follow by just looking at my videos. Thank you, Mecca, for that comment. I hope that helped you out in your personal investments. Let's go to the next comment here. Jeffrey here wrote, the runway of these projects seem to offset some of the risk and allows for sustained growth. You mentioned in another video, Klima DAO has mechanisms to generate yield for stakers even without runway. The rug pull risk doesn't seem high since the project was constructed by people who understand game theory. I agree. It would be fun to compare notes a year from now and how and why each DAO performed as it did. Yes, yeah, that's what we're gonna break down here. If you guys join the channel, this is the mission here. These are all fairly new projects, and we're gonna be able to see we're gonna be able to sniff out the winners from the losers and how well the winners perform. The total number of entrants into the space is small, but the deployed capital pool is fairly large, with people aping in. Yes, a lot of people. I saw another comment earlier. I'm more interested at this point in the exponential growth and user and change adoption that will bring sustainable value. We can only hope due to compounding, a small investment can generate return similar to Shiba Inu, guys. Yes. So high APY, even though the price does not appreciate as much over time, it might. I'm just saying if it didn't, we can still get ridiculous gains like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and some of these meme coins that just doesn't make any sense. And some of you guys have commented before that this is a super hyper inflated coin like Klima DAO. And I don't know if you guys missed it, but Dogecoin has unlimited amounts of coins. This is not just the only project that might have some sort of risk to it. And these projects are all pretty risky. So it's just a different way that they're skinning the cat. If you think this is inflationary, look at Dogecoin and look at how much money people have made. This is why sometimes I like to hear about the projects, but I like to weed out the smoke and mirrors and invest in them to see what they actually give me in returns, whether it's APY or price appreciation. Because sometimes I miss Dogecoin even though I had plenty of times to invest in it because it didn't make sense to me. Fundamentally, it was the riskiest. I didn't understand and I didn't see any yield there. And look at this. A lot of people missed the boat. So now we're in a different time where investments are driven by the people. And if something catches on fire, this is where things go. This is where things explode, whether it makes sense or it doesn't, or someone like Elon Musk gets behind it, or someone of a big name gets behind projects that make sense. This is where they explode. So thank you, Jeffrey, there for that comment. Let's keep it going and let's go to the next one. Justin Hero, thanks for the vids, man. Keep them coming. I would almost ignore the price at the moment and look simply at the amount of Klima you will end up with. Easier said than done. This is true to Time Wonderland. For example, if you bought one Klima now, it would compound to 350 tokens in 1 year's time, assuming APY doesn't drop dramatically. This is true. Therefore, even if the price dropped to $500 from the current $1,500, you still make 350 times USD $500. That's $175,000. The price would need to drop less than $4 in a year in a year's time for you to make a loss. Seems like a really win-win, which is why I am invested. What's the possible downside? And then we have here Yap with a common reply. I got it at the $2,200 high, laughing out loud. Seeing it in the past week hurt, but reminding myself it's more about the token I'm earning. Confident at the very least I'll be making my original investment, pulling out when I do, then writing house money. Yes, 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 that's what I'm doing. This is how you are risk aware. I don't care if anybody talks down on anybody investing on these projects. They are exponential. They grow very rapidly. They make aggressive moves. Just be risk aware, be smart about it, and if it works out, it works out, and if it doesn't, it didn't. But you didn't lose any money if you play it right. Also, never investing what I'm not willing to lose. Yes, in my mind, I already convicted myself. This money is gone. Same. I'm putting a small piece that I can lose, and once it doubles down, which I'm almost once it doubles up, then you take the risk off, and I'm almost there in just 17 days. I'm gonna show my results, and I am making money right now. Brand also commented here, I convinced myself the money is gone, then forget about it. LOL. Yes, that's a good strategy. Now, don't be crazy and throwing ridiculous amounts of money and forgetting about it. Just do something that makes sense to your lifestyle, to your budget. Let's go on to the next comment. Great conversation, guys. David Lee wrote here, 2 points from my humble opinion. Time is not inflationary because 99% of retail purchase of time are staked. Number 2, the greatest of risk of all is that one knows this project and yet stay away from it while it runs as designed for years. It is like one slips a chance to buy BTC at 2011. 1 year in time might be 10 years in BTC. Great point. These are all new projects. These are unknown grounds. Anything is very possible. Thank you, David Lee, for that comment. And shout out to Rot. Thanks for the vid. Love these updates. Keep it going. Thank you, Rot. Shout out to Rot. And that's going to do it for the comment section. Now let's take a look at some price action and my position. Now let's take a look at Wonderland time on CoinGecko here. I pulled the 30-day chart looking at the price action, and I bought this 17 days ago, which was October 29th. And October 29th, it was somewhere down here trading around $6,500 to $7,000. Now, if we compare this compared to KlimaDAO, if you've been following my KlimaDAO videos, KlimaDAO is in a descending bearish pattern, but holding above 1500. Wonderland time is the opposite. It's on an ascending bullish pattern. And we are having a little bit of a pullback here, but as you can see, the chart continues to go higher, higher highs, higher lows. Right now, it's currently trading around $8,200. I've been staked for 17 days, and now this is bigger than KlimaDAO. The current market cap is $1.6 billion, so it's higher than KlimaDAO now. I believe before Klima was bigger than Wonderland time, but now momentum has shifted, so there might be a little bit more opportunity right now if you want to get into one of these projects in Klima, because it's a smaller market cap and it is descending, so that might be a better opportunity if you're barely getting into these projects. But for me, loving the action, let's take a look at my position. As of now, I've earned tokens and I am staked 0.190367 memories here. The next reward yield is 0.6175. My return on investment on 5-day rate is 9.6739. And I believe it's staying pretty steady there with the APY. We have 84,500 APY, and the price has been very nicely ascending and keeping some good momentum. So ever since I invested in Wonderland time, it's been smooth sailing. Another thing I want to bring out that I had mentioned earlier on one of my videos, I wish that they had actual quotes here because I had some problems with CoinMarketCap. But if you click here on the legacy website, it takes you to the old website. And here on the dashboard, it gives you the time price, market cap. Oh, it seems like it's a little bit higher now, 2.2 billion. So maybe CoinGecko hasn't refreshed it. It gives you the TVL, APY, current index, treasury balance, backing per time, and runway. So it gives you a lot of information here if you go to the Legacy website, and you can see a little bit more information that way. So now let's go back to my calculator here and see where I'm at today. So I have, as of now, earned and invested 0.190367 coins. Current market price is around $8,300. That gives this a market value of $1,581. I'm up $581. That's 58%. More than halfway there, doubling up my position before I take this risk off, and it's been smooth sailing for the past 17 days. Coins bought, I have bought 0.14835. Coins earned 0.04202 as of now. These are the same numbers we looked at, and we can see the chart here. The blue line is the cash that I have invested, which stopped here. It's flat line. I have not invested more cash. The red line is the price of time, and you can see here it's been in a steady uptrend. Not too scary. I started here, and it's been working out very well. And the yellow is the market value of my position, so higher than my investment. Very small there. It's been 17 days, and that is pretty much where I stand. So Klima is descending and time is ascending, so a shift of momentum there. If you haven't invested in any of these projects and you're thinking about it, I would go with Klima for now until things change. There's more opportunity in Klima right now, although Time Wonderland is performing better. So it's up to you as an investor or trader how you want to play this. But that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I appreciate you guys. Check out the Discord, check out the Patreon, and I'm loving time. I'm almost there. I'm 40% away from taking my risk off, which should be in about a month if things continue the way that they do. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.